Welcome to FactCraft, where even war can surprise you. Today we're going back to a time when enemies became friends, even if just for one night. It was Christmas Eve, 1914. Cold, muddy, silent. World War I was tearing Europe apart. But that night, something strange floated through the air. Not bullets, not bombs, a song. A German soldier started singing Silent Night in the dark. British soldiers heard it and joined in. One side sang in German, the other in English. But the melody? Same. Guns stopped. Voices rose. Hearts remembered they were human. Then, soldiers did the unthinkable. They stood up, climbed out of their trenches, and met in the middle in no man's land. No fighting, no fear, just handshakes, smiles, and even football. Yep, they played a match on the battlefield. One soldier kicked a ball, another cheered. For a few magical hours, the war took a break. But morning came. They went back to their sides. The guns returned. The truce was over. But that moment, that spark, still echoes in history.